Macau. We're going to be filming this street right here. It's called Bispo Medeiros. We're also kind of in this little crosswalk, so before we go over, we'll just show you where we are. Kyungwoo Hospital is directly, not directly, but up in that area. And we kind of have all these blocky style apartments here. So we're going to be walking in a street of Macau where it's kind of filled with blocky apartments. They kind of stretch out like that. There's like blacks all around through this whole area. So stay tuned, we'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we're going to go down our street. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so let's go down our street. Let me see. You can see all the lights down that way as well. And our street right here, like that. I have some nice Macau stuff right there. And then that's our target street, Bispo Medeiros. So that's where we're going to be walking down. So before we go down, let me just kind of sneak across real quick. Bromao. Let's kind of show you what it looks like. And that goes all the way down to Three Lancers district, and then there's a marketplace. There's a lot of stuff down in this area. Let me just kind of sneak across again. And we're gonna go down it. Here's one called Bromao. Been really curious about that one. Bromao. It's got bagels. Kind of a cool name. Bromao. Okay. So this street, here's a French Eiffel, more like that. Okay, so let's go check out our whole street here. There's a lot of interesting stuff along the way. And every time I walk down the street, it look a little bit different because I'll notice different stuff. Got a barbershop that I just went by. I'm just kind of looking at this one. There's a nice, those are like little spaces that somebody could have their own space. This is kind of cool. There's this barbershop right here. Really like that a lot. You can see some of these kind of blocky style apartments everywhere. There's another barbershop up on this corner. Let me see if I can go across here. You can see this whole barbershop as well. It's kind of cool. Okay, so now we have another bagel shop, Ruined Bagel. So the Mao had a bagel, then I think the French one had like a bagel as well. So there's kind of a European bagel. I mean, Mao has a different meaning, but they had, here's little like, I forget the name of those, but those are little common throughout this area. Got some kind of cool balconies and such everywhere. Okay, it's gonna keep on going down. But yeah, check out all those balconies up there. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking. So again, kind of have these blocky apartments, right? So, and I think this one is kind of cool with those balconies. That's kind of more where we're going. Then you also have these kind of interesting stuff on the corners. Like every corner that we see, it's kind of like filmable and photogenic. Okay. So let's go over. We're just going to capture some of these corners because they are quite photogenic like that. Okay. So we're going to go to the other one as well. So let's capture more of these corners. I'm going to come around like this. Each corner is kind of photogenic. Let me try to also capture this one too. See if we can get across. road passing by. And up that way is actually the hospital. But then again, you have this other corner. There's more of those, I was seeing these earlier as well. Let's kind of highlight that real quick. The Macau. Okay, so let me just kind of check all these four corners out again. Another space in there. That kind of cool building. See how they're all kind of blocky? Kind of feels kind of interesting. Okay, let's go like this. Oh, the lights around too. Here's an aroma, like a spa or something. There's some boutique shops, so it's kind of seeing in this area right now. It's like a little one called Genie. This is a crystal healing Reiki. It's kind of cool. Star Music Center. I think this one's Chill. That's Barbara. Let me go like that. Crystal Beauty Center. I think that one. Keep on going. I think next corner one is going to be a Vietnamese restaurant. There's another boutique shop. Artist nail, so you kind of have like a beauty's chest selection. King's Beer. It's closed, but it had a name like that, King's Beer. There's not a lot of bars in Macau in general. And when they do come up, they kind of close. And well, anyways, I'm not going to speculate on that. Okay. So we're kind of got a hill right here. There's this Vietnamese one. We'll just kind of Vietnamese cuisine. Should have been on the other side because I got like a wall of cars right there. So this street is gonna continue a little bit further. Ooh, that woman almost got hit. She's on her phone. She's 100% not even paying attention. She was lucky. Yeah, if you notice, a lot of people are... There's a beautiful park right in there. If you notice, a lot of people are on their phone a lot, so... This is kind of cool. I want to capture both sides. So this side is beautiful, of course, and that side has bamboo on it. That's a beautiful street to walk around and film. Got some cars coming, so some beautiful courtyards. Let me go across real quick. So yeah, it goes all the way down. It's called Hua de Top 6, so I have filmed it before. So now you can see the beauty of these buildings. Oops. Okay. So I think our street goes a little bit further. So I want to walk it all the way to the end. We'll see if it does. Let me see. So it might continue on down that way. If it does, it's okay. This is kind of a major road down this way. There's all kinds of cool stuff all the way in here. That's a tea museum, I believe. Tea shop. I actually have a red light, so I think I'm gonna go across. So you can see the beauty of these buildings. And they go all the way down, so you can see them all the way down that way as well. It's nice. And I believe that this is still our street, I believe. Not quite as pretty on this side, is it? Okay. There's some kind of cool balconies though. Here's a comfort kitchen. This side's a little bit cut off from the other side. Oh, falala. They have nice food here. I haven't seen it in quite a while. Kind of forgot. So yeah, this is the Bispo Medeiros. I can see it because I can see the sign right there as I'm walking. And this would be the end of our street. There's a school up here, Don Bosco. There's a subway right here. Oh, didn't even notice that. So anyways, that was our target street. Let me kind of go back and capture that on the corner. Okay. Good. Bispo Medeiros.
Bispo Medeiros, yeah.